PHED Minister Susindro accuses Rahul Gandhi and Congress Party of trying to break Manipur. Speaking to media persons at his residence in Kurai today, Minister Susindro said Rahul Gandhi is trying to mislead the people of Manipur. He accuses the Congress leader of trying to placate both Cookies and Maitais by giving them false hopes. He further added that this approach of a Congress party will disrupt the peace process in the state, while alleging the Congress party of taking political advantage from the prevailing violent situation in Manipur. Minister Susindro said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken about the crisis in Manipur, while accusing the previous Congress government in the state of initiating suspension of operations agreements with Kuki militant groups in 2008. Minister Susindro also demanded the Congress party a clarification in this matter. When asked about the stance of BJP-led state government on Su, Susindro said state government has withdrawn from the tripartite pact. However, Centre has not taken similar stance in this matter. The minister also accused Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for accepting a memorandum from ITLF which allegedly outlined the demand of separate administration.
Marune Rahul Gandhi, Mahang Nangarang Lakiba Manipur gi Pongchat Asidesda, Kuki dana Mahaijan ba, Maite dana Mahaijan ba, Aduna Maramuraganda Akoi, Santi Lejaba, Asumulam the Mase, Santi Halakanabana, Honorable the Mase, Masi Santi Laitanabana Kana Honore and I, Masi May Haijaning, Congress agenda. I mamanda to Mahai give the name. Larry Hebu was Amna, Atra and Badoji Manipur Mamutare. Larry Hebu was Amna Nasi, Wangambo Matanda, Seranturan, some Mayam, some Saturday like Taco, some talk with the Maram or Kanasi, Manipur say, Congress to Gaibatare have a say, but she ain't Mayam the Haijaning, Maram the Congress manifesto that Manipur say, to Gaigadore, Manipur say, separate administration, Pini and Haibu Wapam say, Masi Yaro and Naina Matandu the Hai Wapam say, Nasi the Chapchana, you know. ITLF ki last pera si yaw is mayam pabiro. Si yaw is ka inova. Si atra hanbay ba oza Manipur yon thoke na khanbo oza adu ma missing do madu khana nai na biro Manipur gi lai heba mayam khana nai na biraga amu halapur ya brom tiyang bio. Ana Manipur yon thoke na khanba Manipur thugai gen khanba Congress ne haibadana haimande nai hainingi